Public limited company registration in India. Concept of public limited company. Voluntary association of members. Public limited company is a voluntary association of members. For public limited company registration, minimum of 7 members are required, but there is no limit on maximum members. Separate legal existence apart from members. It has separate legal existence apart from members who compose it. It is independent legal person. Its existence is not affected by death, retirement or insolvency of any of its shareholders. Shares are freely transferable. Its shares are freely transferable, and that too without the prior consent of the other shareholders. These companies can invite capital and deposits from public. These companies can be listed or unlisted. Eligibility for public limited registration. Minimum 7 persons are required to start. Minimum person requirement of public limited company. Minimum 7 persons are required to start a public limited company in India. These companies shall have minimum 3 directors. The same 7 persons can become shareholder and director of the company. However, maximum any number of persons can become shareholder in the public limited company. Statutory, no minimum capital is required to start a public limited company. Capital of the business is depending on the need of the business, and the statutory, no minimum capital is required to start the public limited company. However, minimum authorized and subscribed share capital required for public limited company is 5 lakh. Unique name. The name of the public limited company should be unique and should not be similar to any existing company or trademark. Resident director. Among director, one person must be resident Indian. Documents required for public limited company registration. Identity proof for directors and shareholders. PAN card for Indian national is mandatory. Passport for foreign national is mandatory. Proof of nationality for foreign nationals. Proof of identity should be one of these: voter ID, passport, driving license. Resolution of the board of company or LLP for authorization of director or partners. Passport size photo. Address proof for directors and shareholders. Bank statement, electricity, telephone, mobile bill, and these should be not older than 2 months, and any one of these will be required. Proof of registered office. Conveyance, lease deed, rent agreement, any one of these is required along with rent receipt. Copy of utility bills, telephone, gas, electricity bill. These should also be not older than 2 months, and any one of these will be required. NOC from landlord will also be required. DSC form will be required, and that should be physically signed. All the documents in case of foreign directors should be additionally complied as follows. Notarized if residing in Commonwealth countries, notarized and apostilled if residing in country which is signatory to Hague Convention, notarized and consularized if not covered in above categories. Procedure for public limited company registration. Step 1. Reservation of name of company. Step 2. Take DSC of directors and shareholders. Step 3. Approval of other regulators if required. And now you can get certificate of registration, PAN and TAN. and now you can open bank account and start running the public limited company. What are the benefits of the public limited company registration? Large borrowing power. Public companies are most recognized in terms of financial assistance or borrowing from banks and financial institutions. There are also several financial instruments available to public limited companies which are not available to other forms of business organization. Limited liability of shareholders. Liability of shareholders of the public limited company are limited only up to the shares subscribed by them and should not be personally liable for the debts of the company in case company are unable to pay its liabilities. Separate legal entity. Public company legal entity are separate than its shareholders or promoters. Perpetual existence. Public company existence will go for even and go forever, and its existence will not be affected by death of shareholders, directors, or transfer of shares to others. Capacity to sue and be sued. Public limited company can take legal action against another, and also other person can take legal action against company, separate for directors, shareholders, and promoters. Ownership of properties. Public limited company can sell, purchase, and own those properties like individual.